everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to add a keyboard language in your Windows. Now just click on in bottom right side corner, you can able to see the language you are added. If you need more language, just click more keyboard settings. In right side, you can able to see the option add a language. Just click on that. Here you can able to see the list of languages will be displayed and type whatever the language you want. Just click and give next. And give install. It will take some time to download the language. Now your selected language is downloading. Now here you can able to see the language is downloaded. Now again click at bottom of the screen in right corner. Just click that language you have downloaded and open your browser. Here you can able to see your selected language is working properly and you can start typing in your selected language. I hope this video is very useful for you. If you really like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe. See you all next video. Bye bye. Take care.